Okay, you guys remember these? Quick.
A 1 plus R with T.
Quick like a bunny.
With T.
Mr. Jordan, is the test tomorrow?
Yeah.
It's black.
Purple. That's your dog.
Rank your cows in a row.
Or blue.
That's why it looks good.
We should do orange.
Orange is ugly. We should do black and orange. Like go to the black.
No, don't listen to Hope. No, not Hope. No, anyone but Hope. Anyone but Hope.
How dark can we get and you still tell it's purple? Supposed to have a little bit of purple in it.
I mean, it looks purple from here, but like, no, no, no.
Gerald.
This is purple? Yes, this is purple.
Oh, you can tell the difference. It's like,
That's the same thing.
it's barely
Cover
different.
over pants.
That's not black.
Okay, yeah. No.
It's purple.
I literally said it's not black.
No, they're brown.
You dumb.
No, they're not.
No.
Those are like purple.
They're poop.
Yeah, that's my worst food.
Okay,
So I need to make it match.
what's the exponential growth and decay formula?
A 1 plus R to T.
They like to write it like in function form. I'm not gonna really do that, but. Okay, compound interest.
A 1 plus R K.
1 plus R over K,
KT.
KT. And this is the shortest, but we've used it the least, so you guys forget it the most. AE to the RT.
Let's do. What are you talking about? I feel it right now. Okay, will you make dad jokes to your children? But only ones that cause them like severe like mental trauma. Not like mean ones.
This is an odd question.
Like hold the flashlight sun down.
Yeah. The edges.
I don't know where I'm going.
What are you doing?
That's hand bro.
Yeah.
Just hold it right here. Don't
Blank.
Isn't the perfect spot?
Alright, next problem's up.
Yes.
Guess what? Next problem solved.
Good job, Issa.
I'm
You
joking.
can't really solve this when you're just writing a
I'm joking.
expression.
You.
You're bad.
Okay. My grandmama, she is very old. How old? Too old. For what? Health problems. She has health deficiencies that don't, not inhibit. You can't use 2 words. Not, not. Do the opposite. Hurt. Not. Hurt.
What?
Again. For
No, it sounds like dogs barking.
15
Oh, I look at people's windows.
years of
That's why I thought that sounds like barking.
not.
It goes like bark, bark in the background. No, you've heard it.
No, it
Or
doesn't.
not.
Who did I do that with then?
Back.
You did it with me, but I
That was
didn't
me, actually.
It was you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you heard it.
Not.
Yeah.
Hurt.
Did you hear it?
Or
What? No, but like you can hear the dogs barking.
I heard it a little
Not.
Different song.
Under.
I can just imagine you listen to that song and just like.
The.
Just like, no, just barking along with it. No, because
I think it's
The what?
because you turned it up so.
Circumstance.
Okay, so what's the expression gonna be for number 4?
50,000. 1.08 to the T.
Basically, we're just using the first formula. I don't know if they even wrote the F and T on this one.
Mr. Jordan, what's your favorite restaurant?
Mm.
Favorite fast food.
Fast food, probably Brahms or Subway maybe.
That's pretty good.
Food stations.
Or Panda Express. That's what we have.
And Express.
I like all the above. Okay, how about this one? Gas was $2.29 a gallon 2 years ago. If the price is $2.59 right now, what's the annual rate of growth?
Ooh.
How do we set it up?
Initial amount is 229.
Initial amount's $2.29.
1 plus
1 plus R
Two.
to the 2 because it's 2 years.
equals 250.
Okay. Now, what do we do to solve? Alright, 229 is multiplied to this thing, so we can get rid of it by dividing. Okay, I wouldn't plug this in the calculator just yet, because it will be a mess. And you don't want to round it off if you can help it. Not until the very end. Okay, now what do we do? Square root gets rid of the square. So we have 1 plus R equals this big mess. I kind of want to just drag it down. Last step.
Minus.
Okay, I didn't write it down, but we're just going to round this to the nearest percent. Let's see how the test says it. Round to the nearest percent, yeah.
Like 1 or 2.
Or 11 or 12, yeah.
I think it's 6%.
You got 0.0 what does your calculation?
0.06348.
Yeah. So as a percent, this would be like 6.3 or which rounds to about 6%.
How many questions are we doing on the review?
Million bajillion. I was thinking doing the front page.
Just how much?
The next question has 4 A, B, C's, and D's. Maybe I could just do the next question, which is like 4. But they don't take that long. What number are we on? I didn't remember. 6.
I'm not saying you're dead, idiot.
I heard you.
I didn't say it 3 times. I said it twice.
Okay, it's just, these are just simplified. Or, I'll just call it 6, 7, 8.
Remember when we were taking my dog to walk and it was Halloween? And these little kids thought my dog was a corgi? And they like just
because your dog's overweight.
What? No. I was, like, this is the first time, and then I was walking near the park, and these little kids, like, were across the street, and they're like, "A corgi!" No!
Somebody called something on a golden doodle one time. You know, at least people want to pet your dog.
Oh yeah, you're right. We were walking past these people around the lake. Around the lake, we were walking around these people, and they're like, "Such cute dogs!" And like, Issa specifically walked to the side because they started petting mine first, and kind of like said it was kind of cute.
What's it called?
Did not do it.
You know, my dog is sweeter than yours.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
Older. And sweeter. And he
Sweeter.
walked what? 2 steps.
All right, we'll say number 9 is the last one for today. Okay, so now, yeah, it looks like I didn't put any letters on these, so it is like yesterday's.
So I'll count.
You could use a calculator, but you guys, I probably should have made some of these have variables though, because you guys do need to, yeah, what do we do with the exponents here?
Add those.
Negative 3 plus 8 is 5, so this is like 5 to the 5, and then what do we do with these exponents? 5 minus negative 2, or no, sorry, that's a positive 2. 5 to the third, 5 minus 2 is 5 to the third, 125. Okay, what's 3 to the negative third?
127.
Yeah. 3 to the third is 27, so this would be 1/27 plus 1, which is 1 and 1/27. Or as an improper fraction, 1 is 27 over 27. So this would be 28 over 27. What's the negative exponent do? Negative 1 flips it. Very similar to what we did. All our tests are going to be very similar to the chapter review book. How could I do this without a calculator?
Subtract.
4 is 2 to the what? These have to be the same base. You can't subtract these. 2 to the 2. What's 2 to the 2 to the 5th?
2 to the 10.
2 to the 10th. Yeah, you multiply those. So what do I do with these exponents? Subtract. 10 minus negative 2
To the 12.
is 12. And then how do I square root that?
12.
And then it's to the 1 over 2.
Yeah, it's to the 6. Yeah, it's like dividing by 2 on the exponents. It's to the 12 to the 1/2. 12 times 1/2 is 6. 2 to the 6, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. I ran it.
So
It's like Shelby, I was running
You
out
did
of
that one
fingers.
calculator, right?
Yeah.
You're just so smart.
She couldn't figure out how many minutes till into class.
It's 1, 5, 10.
You have 15 minutes.
Ooh, fancy. Wrong,
Or
but
14.
Oh, no, it says 10:25.
But this one says.
Yeah, but the
14.
Apple Watch is right because it's connected directly to the phone, which is correct. Connected directly to the
Apple Watches are of the devil.
Yeah, bro.
They're straight from Satan.
Stop that.
Okay, last one. You guys remember how we did this one?
You get 9.
You can divide these separately.
You get 9?
9 is 3 squared. That's what you're about to say, Hope,
Yeah.
right?
That's not.
So this is
You
3
did nothing.
to the negative 4. And instead of like adding those together first, you could. That would be fine, but you can divide these separately. So what do I do with these exponents? You're doing subtract. Negative 3 minus negative 2 is negative 1. And negative 4 minus negative 2 is negative 2.
think about burnout.
We'll call that.